Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training. You can contact us through the number that is provided on the channel. So today we'll look into this route here, which is Stable Yard to Old Queen Street, where Pall Mall road is closed. So let's look into it. Okay, so firstly, you can see that this is the green point from where we need to travel to this red point here. So if you see here, the road that is closed is this one here, which says, let me just show you, which says Pall Mall. So we can't take this road here. So we need to avoid this road in order to get to this point here. So let's zoom in a bit more and see where exactly we are. So we're starting from this point. Sorry, let's clear this one. So we'll move towards this side here. So click on this. So you can see this is one way, so we can take this one way from here. That is one way to come here, and then from here, if we go this way, so we can go up. We can't go straight here because this road is closed. So we'll turn left here, and we'll go straight up. So you can see that we are avoiding this road here, this Pall Mall road. We'll go straight here. From here, we'll go here because we need to stay on the left side. So we'll go straight here, straight here. And then from here, we can go this way. Avoid this area that is blue area. So we need to avoid this area, this area. This is one way. We can stay in the middle of the road. So let's see where we need to travel to. So that's the point here. So we can come down here, and we are avoiding this Pall Mall road. So if you come on this side, you can go this way here. So that shouldn't be a problem. This is a roundabout, so we go around this roundabout and we'll come down here. So staying on the left side and avoiding these sight lines as well. So you can see here, you keep going down here. This is a roundabout here again, so we go around from here. And then because we need to go here, so we'll turn left from here. And now this is a one way, so we can turn this way down here, and from here we can go this way and come down, and from here we can go straight this way. So the only thing here is, again, if you look at this one, so let's see. So we'll just undo this part because we remember we need to stay on the left side. So we'll go this way. Now the other thing that you need to remember, that this is one way, so we can't go right from here. So we need to follow this path here, and we'll go up from here. So that's one way here. Then go this way, and then we can get to the point here, the red point here. So this is the route where we have avoided this Pall Mall road. So we've just gone around the Pall Mall road in order to get to this red point. So that's the best direct route that we can kind of take. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.